A Google Pixel exclusive feature that most people tend to love is called scam detection. It'll sit there, monitor your phone calls, text messages, and even chat apps to see if whoever you are talking to has said or done things that are determined to be a scam, from pretending to be your bank to trying to impersonate a local law enforcement officer. Scammers have a ton of tools in their bag that they use to try and trick you into sending them some money. But this exclusive feature looks to be making its way to the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra. All of this new information comes from an update that has rolled out to the Google Phone app. And when Android Authority did their APK Teardown, they discovered model numbers for the entire Galaxy S26 family. And these are mentioned in the text strings for its scam detection feature. Current rumors have suggested the SM-S942U is expected to be the Galaxy S26. The phone with the model number SM-S947U is expected to be the Galaxy S26 Plus. And lastly, the SM-S948U is said to be the Galaxy S26 Ultra, with the U letter helping to designate it will be the phones sold in the United States. And we can see all three models listed here, right beside codenames for the Pixel 9a and Pixel 10 series. And to confirm this even more, they're using the codename Sharpie right here, which is what Google has been referring to scam detection during internal discussions. But people are wondering why these model numbers are showing up in the Google Phone application, when Samsung Galaxy devices ship with Samsung Phone as its default dialer application. But if you remember back, Samsung recently switched to using Google Messages for its default texting application in certain regions. So some folks are speculating that Samsung will be opting for Google's dialer app for those that are sold within the United States. There hasn't been any official announcements made as of yet, but this could be a big security update for Samsung Galaxy users in select regions next year. But I want to hear what you think about this news. Are you happy to hear that Google Phone is going to be pre-installed on Samsung Galaxy phones next year? Or would you rather stick to Samsung's phone app? So please share your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you would, consider giving this video a like and then sharing it on your favorite social media platform, because that really goes a long way to helping this channel to grow.